Mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa Kenya arorota atongoria angĩ akiuga ciĩko ciao nĩcio cioragire kĩoneki kĩa One Kenya Alliance, agĩtarĩria atĩ maiguanĩire atĩ magakorwo hamwe makĩaria na ngwatanĩro ingĩ.
For OKA, it was a coalition of the willing, and I'm referring to it in the past tense in the sense that we came together so that we may negotiate with other coalitions together. Now, the moment colleagues went ahead and signed as individuals, the purpose of the coalition was spent. Therefore, it ceased, even without much more.
Ona gũkĩrĩ ũguo, Karua arauga ona thutha wa ngwatanĩro ĩyo gũkua, nĩeharĩirie kũruta wĩra nao mbere ya gĩthurano kĩnene kĩa mwaka ũyũ.
But that doesn't mean we can't work together. We worked together before inking of the deal. We will continue to collaborate wherever we can. And we shall collaborate not just with our friends whom we were with in OKA, but with others on issues of common interest. And collaboration doesn't mean sameness.
Atarĩirie atĩ ngwatanĩro ya Mount Kenya Unity Forum nĩyarĩkĩrĩirie wĩra wayo wa gũtigĩrĩra atĩ gĩtarũ gĩa gatagatĩ kĩna ciama nyingĩ.
Mount Kenya Unity Forum, we have fulfilled some of the goals we set out to do, to uphold multi-party politics.
Oho Karua nĩatarĩirie ona atekumania biũ kũrĩa we arorete gĩũteti.
And now Kenya is looking for a formation where we can see a good number of people of goodwill, people who have a past of demonstrated selfless service to the nation. We're looking for leadership with integrity. It is not possible to find a side full of integrity because each side has people with baggage. But it is possible to look for and identify a side that has people who have been patriots, who have been selfless, who have served Kenyans and sacrificed for them. People who have never sacrificed won't begin to sacrifice today.
Kĩama kĩa maendeleo ya wanawake nĩkĩanĩrĩire na kayũ kamwe kũnyita mathabaru ta ũmwe wa arĩa mangĩiyũkia gĩturwa kĩa mũnini wa president ngwatanĩro-inĩ ya Azimio la Umoja.
I take their endorsement kindly with appreciation, and I know that they have goodwill towards me and that they have confidence in me. That I appreciate very much. I don't take it for granted. I hear them, but again, deputy is not a position you run for. It's a position someone else names you for.
No ona gũkĩrĩ ũguo, Karua augĩte we ona rĩu arĩ kĩhĩtahĩtano-inĩ gĩa kũmatha gĩturwa kĩa gavana wa kaunti ya Kirinyaga.
A race where I believe we have an assailable lead, and where we will maintain that lead to deliver for Kirinyaga, to deliver for Kenya.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV de kaunti-inĩ ya Nyeri, njĩtagwo Martin Mũnene.